What if I was to tell you that just by generating a 2-minute video as a small TikTok shop affiliate, you could earn $46,000 in 7 days or under? Not long ago, I wouldn't have believed that, except I actually have an example of someone who's done exactly just that. So in a minute, I'm going to show you who they are, what they did exactly, and most importantly, how you can replicate the same process so you can hopefully achieve similar results in future as well. So come close, but not too close, and I'm going to show you exactly. My name is Victor and welcome to Create a Bug, where we help you create content, ditch your 9 to 5 and live the life that you want. It's one weird question from me. I am a coffee man. Do you prefer coffee or do you prefer tea? Comment down below so I can check how many people are similar to me. Talking about is called the Shops plug, and this is their page here on a website called Kalodata. By the way, the elephant in the room here, how did I get this information? I've gone into a website called Kalodata, which is the website that you can see on the screen, and it's a really super useful tool if you are looking to get into the TikTok shop affiliate game. It tells you what to promote, when to promote it. It shows you what's trending, how much people are earning, and what shops are doing well when it comes to promoting products on TikTok shop. And it shows you stuff that's recent as well, like in the last 7 days, yesterday, etc. So you can see what's working currently and replicate that as a new TikTok shop affiliate. So it just takes the whole thinking process and all the work that's involved in researching and finding out what to promote. It makes all of that super easy. I've left a link in the description for Kalodata so you can go ahead and check it out yourself. And the crazy thing is, this is not the only person that's making this much money. There are tons of other creators, as you'll see here on this website. Now, this is the United States version of Kalodata. I'm based in the UK. That version has not come out yet. And as you can see, there's different versions for different countries as well. So it'll be showing different data based on the country that it's on. Very quickly, talking about who this creator is, as I say, they're called the Shops plug. And what I've done to get onto this page is I've gone into Kalodata, the website, and then I went onto the homepage, which shows you straight away what the top products are currently on TikTok shop in the USA. It shows you who the top creators are, and all of this is based on information that's been pulled over the last 7 days, as you can see here. So you can see what products are making the most money, which creators are making the most money, and you can also see what videos are making the most money as well in the last 7 days based on promoting which products, which is really useful. So I've gone onto here and I have gone onto the body juice oil, and then that shows me on this page who is selling the most of this body juice oil. And I've got stats for different creators here, some of which I have covered in previous videos. And this is the Shops plug here, is number 5. And then I've clicked onto that, and then it's taken me onto this page here where I can learn a little bit more about the creator as well. This tool, by the way, Kalodata, is also used for if you are creating a new shop and you are trying to figure out which creators to work with, which creators are the best at promoting products. So you can see who will sell a lot of your products, and you can determine how much commission to offer them to entice them to start selling your products as well. But I digress. So this is the page. As you can see on TikTok, they've got 12,000 followers essentially. To simplify it, this is a link on the top right hand corner that takes you onto their TikTok page. If I click on that, it links directly onto their TikTok, and you can see exactly what videos they're doing here, what profile they have, so you can maybe study and see if you can replicate some of what they do. The crazy thing is Kalodata makes that even easier as well. It gives you the script of the videos that are working well for them. It shows you what the sounds they're using are, the hashtags, and all that information. So not only can you go onto their page, but Kalodata, as I've shown in previous videos, also gives you the information on these videos here. So if you click on each one, it'll give you all of that stuff. Filtered their data by the last 7 days here, as you can see in the middle, and this is the total revenue that they've made in the last 7 days. Only a 12k follower account, so not a large account, and they only started on the 12th of February 2024 as well, so they've not been live for long at all, but yet they're already generating 46,000 in 7 days. Now the 46,000 is not what's gone into their pockets. This is the total revenue of what they've sold. So for every person that's clicked on links in their videos and purchased the product in the last 7 days, this is how much has gone to the shop. Now the shop will have offered the Shops plug here a commission based on a percentage of this amount. So that could have been 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on what that particular shop is offering. So if I bring up my calculator here, for example, in the last 7 days alone, this small creator with 12,000 followers on TikTok, if we say they got a 10% commission by promoting these products, without needing to use the calculator, we can tell that they would have gotten around $4,600 in commission. This is in the last 7 days alone, and this is what would have gone into their pockets. Where I most likely think they are, because of how well they're doing, they could have received anywhere from 20% upwards in commission, or the shop could have easily raised their commission percentage by seeing that, because they were seeing that they're moving a lot of their products, they're selling a lot of these products. Again, I've covered this in previous videos as well, where a shop will raise your commission to encourage the creator to promote their products even more. So if they'd received 20% out of that, as you can see, they would have received $9,200 in the last 7 days by selling these products here, mostly this one product, but as you can see, they've been promoting other products as well. And it just gets crazier from there. If they would have, say, gotten a 30% commission, which you can, I've seen videos, I've seen products, I've seen shops, that offer as high as 50% commission. So if we say they received 40% commission, they could have easily made $18,400 in the last 7 days alone. This is just the last 7 days. It's not like the last month. It's not like the last 14 days. So crazy, as you can see, how much money you can make as a TikTok shop affiliate. Once you're prepared to put yourself out there, use a website like Kalodata so you can jump on trends of products that already work and essentially replicate what's working for other creators, because you can see that information on here. So really good case study here. I'm not going to go into every single detail in this video. I've got a whole playlist that'll be linked in the description going through other similar case studies like this. But as I say, if you want to see other creators that are performing just as well, if not better, simply go into Kalodata, use the link I've got in the description. And if you go into the explore page, which is the home page, it'll show you all these different bits of criteria. You'll see the top products, you'll see the top creators, you'll see the top videos, you'll see top live streams, you'll see the top shops as well. And all of that will give you, as a new TikTok shop affiliate, the information that you need to get started, know what to promote, know what shops to work with, know what to say in your videos, what sounds to use, how long your videos should be, know what products are coming in and are trending for the future, so you can start promoting those products as well. If you are, of course, in a country or place where TikTok shop is available, because it is not available everywhere.